Wave design with constant curve layout. Curved layout guides hands into just the right position. Ease and comfort. Cushioned palm rest makes work easier and fun more fun. Longer battery time. This feature gives you up to 3 years of battery life. Battery life based on a calculation of an estimated 2 million keystrokes per year in an office environment. User experience may vary. Logitech Unifying Receiver. The tiny unifying receiver stays in your notebook, so there's no need to unplug it when you move around. And you can easily add compatible wireless mice and keyboards to the same wireless receiver. Top reviews from the United States. I love this keyboard. I have purchased half a dozen of these keyboards. I love this layout. I have bought this keyboard for every system I use. 3 home computers, 2 work PCs and even several at previous jobs. Battery life is insane. In the whole time I have owned these I have only ever had one bad keyboard and Logitech was awesome to work with and they replaced the defective unit. The Unify receiver system is great too. You can pair one or several Unify compatible mice with the same receiver and free up USB ports. You won't regret having these.